iTAC software offers innovative product solutions to support you in the execution of your production order, all the way from order planning to delivery. The iTAC.BI service enables the quick and easy creation of comprehensive data analyses. The business intelligence solution seamlessly integrates into existing systems and can be used without installation on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. The interactive dashboard interface displays all data graphically. Here, you can simply use drag and drop to generate your own reports and analyses. These can be easily integrated into the iTAC Workbench or any HTML5 web application. This creates transparency and helps with decision-making to increase productivity, efficiency, and profitability. iTAC.BI Services, the business intelligence solution for comprehensive data analyses. If you have any questions, please contact our sales team or visit our website.